Urvashi, and I'm the program leader of MA Psychology at Jagran Lakecity University School of Humanities and Arts. Why psychology? Psychology exists any and everywhere where you interact with anyone as a human being. We at MA Psychology provide you advanced training towards shaping future practicing psychologists, covering theoretical concepts while emphasizing the critical and applied thinking. Not only does studying psychology enhance the chances at employability, it also helps in developing better relationships in life and enhancing individual as well as societal well-being. Not belonging to psychology does not affect you and your pursuit towards the degree of Masters in Psychology. The curriculum imbibes applied assignments, internships, projects, dissertations, and seminar presentations in all the semesters. The specializations that are offered here include clinical psychology, counseling psychology, industrial and organizational psychology, as well as positive psychology. In central India, positive psychology is offered in very few places, one of which being the Jagran Lakecity University. Time-honored curricular input is complemented by various alternative healing modalities which broaden the world of work for the students. The career options that are available to a student of psychology include clinical psychology, being a counselor in various fields, being a consumer psychologist, being a life coach, being a trainer, being a human resource officer, or even a sports psychologist. Various placements have been offered, and our students have been placed at various organizations such as Podar International School, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and the Google platform.